If you're looking for that opportunity to have a large home to entertain a lot of guests, well, this is that property for you. On 19 acres where you can have cattle, horses, ATV, trail riding. And again, there's additional property that can be bought that joins this property as well. So stay tuned. For unique properties in Alabama, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to be notified when I list a property. This property is located at 1000 Beaver Ridge Circle. It's between 40 and 50 minutes to Birmingham, so good access on I-59. What's great about this property, it lays great where you can have a mini farm to have cattle, horses. The restrictions will allow you that. It's site-built homes in the area. This house is at the end, at the very back of the subdivision. It's a circle, but it's at the very back. It joins a large landowner, so it's going to be private from the back. There's additional property to the side as well. It's convenient. If you like to go to the lake, you're only just a few minutes away from Neely Henry Lake, 11,000 acre lake, so that's another good thing to think about as well. Now, as you can see in the study, this is the study. It's at the front of the house to the right as you walk in the front door. It's got built-in cabinets. It's very nice. It's large. It's very large. Large furniture can fit in here. So if you had a home office and needed people to come see, this could take place for that office. And one thing you're going to notice about this house, there's very little carpet in the house. It's a majority all hardwoods. You do have, I think, vinyl in the laundry room, as you'll see, but it's mostly all hardwoods and tile in the house. And in the master bedroom, it's got a large bay window. As you can see, as we're moving through, you've got a separate tub, separate shower in the master bathroom, double vanities, large closet, and within that large closet it actually moves you back into the great room. So you can get anywhere in the house from the master bedroom very quickly depending on where you're at. That's a big plus there as well. As we move through, you can see as we're kind of going into the laundry room, large laundry room, plenty of room. We're opening up the door, you can see the garage, and you're going to see this again later in the video, so stay tuned to the end of this video because you'll see where we can come back down from upstairs, from that what could be the apartment studio for the house. So you're going to see that in a minute. Also, be sure to like this video as you're going through and make any comments in the video that you see that you like or don't like about the house too. That helps me. But as you can see, this large den, this den is huge. No trick photography. I mean, it is a large house and you got to see this. Very pretty. You can see granite countertops. You can see all the cabinetry, the island that's there as well. You got a fireplace. As you can see, as we're moving through, off the kitchen, there's a sunroom. It's very nice. It's very private. As we're moving from the kitchen, you can see the dining room. This is a large size dining room. This would sit a large table with a lot of chairs. And this is basically in front of the office. So if you're coming through the house, if you walked in the house, you got the master bedroom to the left, you got the office to the right. Well, to the right and next room would be the dining room before you get to the kitchen and the great room there. You do have a half bath on the main level as well, and this is just a very nice house as you're seeing. And again, as you see, there's hardwood flooring, hardwood treads leading up to the top of this house, and you've got 3 bedrooms and a bathroom up here as well. And the potential, there's a lot of potential. Stay tuned, you're going to see that potential. Actually, you're probably seeing it now as we move upstairs, and we're moving to the right to the bathroom. Large bathroom. Then we kind of move to the front of the house. Front of the house, you have a bedroom there, and as we're kind of going along the railing in front of the house, going to the next bedroom. Large bedrooms, you're seeing large bedrooms, large closet. These are the only rooms in the house that has carpet, so you could always replace it and put hardwoods in that. And again, we're moving to the next bedroom, and it too has a walk-in closet. Every bedroom has a walk-in closet. Lots of room. Now we're about to move into the unfinished space, the attic. It is huge. You could do a large studio up there, or you could go up in there and create a theater or a pool room, pool table room, or an entertainment room. It has that ability. And off to the side, there's a room that's above the garage. That could be the apartment. That could be the studio apartment for your son, your daughter, or your someone in the family or a friend that needs. And these steps, as you can see as we're going down, leads you back down to the garage, and then you can go from the garage back into the laundry room and back into the great room. So a lot of mobility throughout the house. It flows very well, and as you're seeing. So enjoy watching the rest of the video, and thank you, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and share this video, because this may not be for you, but you may know someone, or as you're sharing it, it may reach out to someone that is looking for this property. So you're helping me help everybody else. And stay tuned for the next video. Thank you very much.